So today is March the 31st, and it's pretty warm for March here. It's supposed to be in the lower 80s today. But anyways, we're going to try a different experiment, and hopefully as we progress through this, we'll see if it's a failure or a success, hopefully. So we've been at this location, my wife and I and my boys when they were younger, for close to 20 years, like 18 years. And as John will tell you the same thing, we have tried to grow good grass in my front yard here. The problem was that I think when they built the house, they stripped my topsoil totally off. And anybody that lives in this area knows under the topsoil here is red clay. But we've tried to put soil on top some and grow the grass, and the grass just never seems to make it. So I thought if you could do this for a garden, no dig, I thought maybe like I was gonna try it for a yard. We'll see. So we got cardboard down already, and we're doing a test area. We're not gonna do the whole yard, of course, right now. And this is my compost that from like last July. It's the oldest compost I have right now. And so we're gonna put at least three, probably more, I'd say 3 to 5 inches of compost over the cardboard here, and then we're gonna plant grass. And I think I'll probably use my leaf mulch that I have down there to cover it up with, like you would if it was straw. We're gonna use that instead of straw. And so here we go. Okay, so now we have put the compost over the cardboard, as you see. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread the grass seed, and then John will come in behind. And I'm using my shredded leaf mulch instead of straw. And I just told John before we started filming that this is gonna be really better than straw, because you can just feel the moisture in it just from where it was sitting. It held the moisture. And it's also, see if I can find a bigger piece. Yeah, so all the coffee filters I got from the coffee that's part of this compost, and I found out that my leaf shredder also shreds it very well. And so this will be great to hold in moisture. The compost is mainly garden waste from last year's garden, and also a good amount of spent coffee, horse manure, shredded paper, some cardboard. I'm sure there's some other things. Oh yeah, compost food scraps that we ran through the mill and then combined in with it. Okay, so grass and then mulch, and then we'll water it in. We'll see how it does. All right, here we go. The one thing I didn't do that I just told John that we should have done, I have a bag of gypsum and I didn't know I had it. If I do this again, or when I do it again, I'll put the gypsum down under the cardboard. Gypsum is great for breaking up clay. So as the cardboard decays, if you have gypsum up under it, it's gonna help soften down farther down. So more of your, and yeah, someone's gonna say, man, that's a lot of grass seed. I always go really heavy. What's it gonna hurt, right? I just look at it as my odds are getting better. All right, and I'm wetting this down. This is probably overkill, but I'm wetting it down with Miracle Grow, help it just a little boost. Well, actually, most of the stuff in the compost is still need to be broken down so it can be used by the grass, but this is more readily available, I guess I would say. But all those worms in there, leaving a lot of good stuff that's the plants can directly take up. And then I'll probably water this the first week every day, and then I'll probably back off a little bit after that. And of course, if it rains, I probably won't do it. That'll just be regular water. And our water is well water, which I would suggest if you don't have well water, use either rainwater, or if you're using just regular water, which is hard to use through a hose, of course, but just you need to let it set out at least a couple hours. 24 would be really good. One of the things I was worried about, but looking at it now, I think we'll be okay, was how well is this going to adhere to the ground itself? And I guess as the cardboard deteriorates, that'll help that process. But the compost is compressing in a good way, really good. It's not like too fluffy, if you will. It's still got a lot of air in it. It's very aerated because we did that before we put it on. As we were taking it out of the pile, we worked through it. So we'll just give you updates and we'll see how it goes.